In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people in Sprout Social. This straightforward process will help streamline your social media interactions by effectively including people or brands in your posts. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other. Simply choose a browser that you find comfortable and reliable for your daily internet needs. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Sprout Social. Hit Enter, and you'll be directed to the search results page. Typically, the official Sprout Social website should appear right at the top, so click that link to proceed. Now that you're on Sprout Social's homepage, you'll see options to sign in if you already have an account, or to sign up if you're new to this platform. Whether logging in or creating an account for the first time, follow the straightforward prompts to enter your details securely. This will bring you to your personal dashboard, where you manage all your social media interactions. Once signed in, look for the pencil icon or the Compose button. Clicking this will launch the new post window, a blank canvas ready for your creative input. Here, you can start crafting the message you want to share with your audience. Begin by writing your text, carefully considering how it'll resonate with those who see it. If there's a visual component you want to add, such as a photo or graphic, now is the time to upload that file. Adding visuals not only makes your post more engaging, but it also increases the likelihood of being noticed and shared. When you're ready to tag someone in your post, simply type the @ symbol and begin typing the handle of the person or brand you wish to include. As you type, Sprout Social will generate suggestions based on your input, so keep an eye out for the correct handle from the drop-down list. Selecting a handle from this list will automatically tag the person or brand in your post, making them a part of your online conversation. After you're satisfied with your message, including any tags and visuals, it's time to share it with the world. Review your post to ensure everything appears just as you want it, correcting any typos or errors. Finally, hit the Publish button. Your post, complete with tags, is now live and visible to your audience. This simple tagging process on Sprout Social enhances your ability to connect, collaborate, and communicate effectively within your digital community. Whether you're promoting a product, highlighting a partnership, or simply sharing an update, tagging helps your messages reach the right people, an essential skill in today's connected world.